Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing video tutorial, I'm going to be drawing Eren as a Titan from the series Attack on Titan. As always, I freehand a sketch in. I use a Caran D'ache pencil for this. I then use a FABER CASTELL PITT pen, which is a permanent fine line marker, which once it's dried doesn't smudge or bleed into any of the page when I apply COPIC markers, which is what I then use as a base coat for the certain colours in certain areas. I'm adding a background to this, a sort of a picture frame look. I'm not adding my normal comic panel background. I just thought I'd go for a different look to this. So my idea is to try and fill the entire picture frame with colour, hair and skin tones around the bottom. I'm really happy with how it turned out towards the end, so make sure you stick around, make sure you let me know what you think of this final drawing. It's slightly different in style to what I've recently been doing with my anime and manga. For the rest of the drawing, once I've laid down the base colour, I use actually PRISMACOLor Premier coloured pencils just to give a slightly more realistic and defined look around the mouth and the eye area. I'm really happy with how it turned out, but let me know down below. This wasn't a request video. I am currently doing request videos, but this was something that I thought I'd like to draw just because the character looked so cool and quite scary. And I've also drawn Eren before in a previous video. If you have got any requests, don't forget to send me them down below in the comments. I'm really interested to see what you guys are into, and I'm really up for the challenge. So, you know, send me anything and I'm pretty sure I can give it a good go. For the hair on this Titan, what I'm doing is I'm using a cool grey 7 followed by a black. Even though the hair is black, I don't like to go straight in with a black Copic marker or a coloured pencil for that case, because once you have just a flat colour and you cannot go any darker in any areas, you do lose that sense of realism. So I always start with a cool grey 7 followed by a black on anything that I do want to have the appearance of black. You can now see that I'm using my coloured pencils in certain areas, and I went through a light brown, a dark brown, a burnt umber, just to try and build the value up in certain areas. And as you can see, I can get a gradation of colour. I'm really enjoying this channel so far, guys. You're sending me some great requests in. Don't forget, you can find me on social media. I'd love to link up with you on there. The links to all of my social media are down below in the descriptions. I hope you consider subscribing to my channel if you like these types of drawings, or you're interested in realistic graphite or anything from a TV series to a gaming character. Then please subscribe to the channel, turn the notifications icon on, and let me know down below who's your favourite anime character from any of the series that you may have watched. I really like Eren, particularly as the Titan. That's my final drawing. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. I hope to see you in the next one, and have a great day. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.